build a habitat on the moon. The ideas considered are based on 3D printing devices that could work autonomously, using the regolith as raw material to build those future lunar bases, long before humans settle there permanently.
3D printing has revolutionized the way that we can do things in space by allowing us to do complete habitats. We can bring these machines that can start utilizing the material from the moon and start creating all sorts of complicated structures without the need of all this equipment that was thought of before.
At the Center for Space Resources, they've been working hard on developing very innovative 3D printing techniques that use sunlight as the main energy source to thaw the regolith and shape it into new forms or tools. In order to better recreate the conditions of the lunar surface, they use a small vacuum chamber where they test these 3D printing experiments.
3D printing is a process by which we turn materials like this, regolith, into tools, building materials, anything that people might need to live. So the experiments that we do here are learning how to make useful items out of this kind of material. We are going to take regolith and we are going to melt it down using simulated sunlight. We're going to take the lamp you see behind me, concentrate down the light on that lamp, and melt this regolith into a useful shape.
Once the regolith is thawed, it can be manipulated and shaped to create brand new forms, tools, walls of future lunar habitat, or anything needed up there.
The purpose of this is in the future when humans are living in space and we're going to be able to take sunlight, concentrate it down, and make new tools, new building materials, whatever people need to live, because they're not going to be able to get things shipped from the Earth.